We're ready to do our sanding. We're going to use 120 Abranet, 240 Abranet, 180 Abralon, and 360 Abralon. We'll finish up with that. The difference with Abralon is it's a sponge. The first place I started is on the backsplash. We're using now 6-inch paper so that we can get down into the folds with it. Once the splash is done, then we're going to come in and do the seam. So once the seam is all evened up, then you just run through your grits. I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Here's a look at the finished seam. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with it.